So guys, we came to DC right before the inaugural, and literally everything is barricaded and blocked out. And right before the inaugural.
Inauguration?
Yeah. The Trump is out and Biden's in, so right before that, and the whole DC is just shut down. Can't go anywhere at all. It's just great. I drove all that way for literally no reason. Yeah. You can see from the outside. Funny thing, I never seen Lincoln like covered up, and they actually covered up Lincoln in the Lincoln Memorial. You guys can see that over there. It's just barricaded. Just great. Good thing we planned our trip around DC. So like Baltimore, Maryland, the National Harbor area of Maryland, Philly. Good thing this was the last thing on our trip. Kind of had a feeling that they would shut things down, but yeah, we'll try to go as close as we can, but literally everything is barricaded. I don't even know how we got to, even walk. Literally no one is there. It's just filled with cops. Cops were actually very nice, so that's a good thing. They weren't rude or anything. They even said like, sorry for the inconvenience and everything. So that's good. Heading back to our car. I'm gonna try to go by the White House, see what's the deal there. A few more days left. Guys, as you guys can see, there's like military trucks, just police everywhere. Couldn't even go to like 10 blocks of, White House. Just look how dead the city is. It's just super dead everywhere. Look at that, military people and stuff, just insane. Look at that, just cops and stuff everywhere. Crazy. So yeah, heading back home. They're bored. If they hear that turbo, it's gonna wake them up.